What's the difference between commodity and product? Although they are often confused and may sometimes be used interchangeably, the terms commodity and product are somewhat different when used by traders today. Both commodities and products are part of the production and manufacturing process, the main difference being where they are in the chain. Commodities are typically in the early stages of production, while products fall at the final stage. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. Commodities. A commodity is a basic good used as an input in the production of goods and services. That means companies use commodities in the manufacturing process to turn them into everyday goods. Commodities are found in the majority of goods that end up in the hands of consumers, including tires, tea, ground beef, orange juice, and clothing. Some of the most common commodities include copper, crude oil, wheat, coffee beans, and gold. Commodities can be further broken down into two different categories: hard and soft commodities. Trading commodities. There is little difference, if any, among commodities. They are taken from their natural state and, if necessary, brought up to meet minimum marketplace standards. No value is added to the commodity, and all commodities of the same good sell at the same price regardless of the producer. Most of the world's widely traded commodities have well-established markets and are traded on exchanges primarily in the form of futures, contracts to buy or sell the commodity by a specified time in the future at a certain price. The settlement of a contract means the delivery of an actual asset or cash. Trading commodities has the potential for significant market volatility. Exchanges standardize the amount and grade of the commodity being traded. Products. A product can be differentiated, and value can be added by the manufacturer and through branding and marketing. Products are made using commodities and are then put on the market and sold to consumers. Products are typically classified as either durable or consumable goods. Durable consumer goods, such as appliances, furnishings, and jewelry, are generally long-lasting and purchased infrequently. Products are also traded and found in many investment portfolios. Companies that produce consumable goods are generally considered safe investments based on their relative stability and historical performance. Special consideration. The idea of differentiation presents itself within commodities and products. Products are not differentiated if they operate in separate but similar commodity markets. For example, a butcher that sells organic beef is not offering a differentiated product from a butcher that sells non-organic beef. Rather, the butcher that sells organic beef is operating in a differentiated commodity market. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.